don't know if you know this, curlies can spend up to $80 a month just trying to find the right products for our curls. If you don't like them, now you're out that 80 bucks. After this video, you might be done tossing out your products. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello, my curlies. Erica here, your curl dresser and curl whisperer. Welcome back to another Frizz-Free Friday. I am going to be attempting to style my hair with products while going over the Inahsi line. Wish me luck. We are finishing up the last of the 3 Inahsi products that I have. I am going to be putting in the Aloe Hibiscus Leave-In Conditioner and Detangler while we talk. The Aloe Hibiscus is protein-free. It does not contain protein. One of the things that I like about the Inahsi line, the founder is a natural curly. Surprise. That's usually when you get the best products, is when the curly is making them. She understands the unique challenges that we have as curlies. All of the products in the Inahsi line are all meant to focus on those challenges that we have. One thing that I found really interesting about the Inahsi line that I discovered before this second video, they are in EU compliance. This is considered the gold standard stamp of approval. It confirms a product's efficacy and safety. That's a big deal when you're looking to use clean products. So I've already put in the Aloe and Hibiscus Leave-In Conditioner, which we know is one of my favorites. You can watch my first Inahsi video, and that'll tell you all about the leave-in conditioners. I went over them in the first video. Now, I was trying to figure out, how do I explain how the Aloe Hibiscus feels when I put it in? And okay, I know it sounds corny, but it's like, it's like a nice ice cold glass of water. I love ice cold water. And that's kind of what it feels like when I put it in my hair, because then my hair just feels beautiful and hydrated and like it's not gonna frizz on me, which you know is a curly's kiss of death. It leaves my hair feeling happy. Now, be very, very quiet, because I've used this without styling products. I did it at night and went to sleep, and it actually looked good in the morning. I was impressed. Let's face it, not many curlies' hair can look good with just the leave-in conditioner. Would I do it when the dew point was above 65 degrees? Hell no. That is the curly hair disaster that you do not want to make. Now, Inahsi has 2 other spray leave-in conditioners. You can find those in my first video. I will put in a link over here, and I'll put it in a link down below in the descriptions. If you click this link right here, make sure you come back and watch the rest of this video. Thank you. I am moving on to the Rock Your Curls Curl Enhancing Cream. I'm going to use it on my ends and around my face where my hair tends to be a little bit more dry. This is very fluffy. It's not a heavy curl cream. It's kind of whipped. Now, if it's a high dew point outside, you do want to add a curl cream underneath a gel. This way, you're giving your curls that extra hydration so they don't frizz, and then you're locking it in with a gel. This is how whippy it is. See how it's very light? I don't know if you can see how light it is, but it is. It's whipped. Now, this contains shea butter and lighter oils like avocado and coconut. It also contains marshmallow, hibiscus, and horsetail. I see no proteins in this whatsoever, so another protein-free product. I wonder if I'm going to get the same shine this week like I got in the first video. One thing that I have to say, I love my mane. My mane is my crowning glory as a Leo. It fits me. It's me. It is me 100% my curls. Now, despite the challenges of curly hair, I have to say that what I love most about curls is that each curl is unique. It has its own personality. It's unpredictable. Everyone else thinks that our hair is sexy and hot and oh so fun. And if you're a curly redhead, even more. Every curl is different every day. It's fun and yeah, okay, it's challenging, but when you find the right products that work in harmony with your curls, it's like a whole new world opens up for you. All of a sudden, you have no frizz. Your hair holds definition, and your hair doesn't go like this by the end of the day. That is a beautiful thing, my curlies. A beautiful thing. 6:20, so yes, second glass of wine though. The first was while I was putting my makeup on and listening to 1980s dance music. Now, like all of you, I have tried so many products over the decades. Oh, decades. I have lost count in how many products I have thrown away over those decades. Now, the Inahsi products are formulated with ingredients that are specifically chosen to address the unique characteristics of curly hair. Whether that is locking in moisture or defining the curls, or maybe just giving us mature curlies with thinning hair a little more oomph. I want to make sure that my hair is wet enough. As with most curly hair products, you want to put them in your hair when it's soaking wet. This way, your hair has enough moisture to then be locked in. We're going to be using the Pamper My Curls Flaxseed Styling Gel on the left side of my hair. Their flaxseed gel, as you can see, is not clear. That's what I'll start with. This is going to go on my entire head because I want the gel to be able to lock in the hydration, but I didn't want the cream to weigh me down at the scalp, which is why I only put it on the ends. Now, the flaxseed gel actually turns out to be protein-free. It is another protein-free option. This is ultra moisturizing gel that is supposed to leave our curls frizz-free and oh so shiny. Some of the ingredients are flaxseed gel along with the marshmallow root extract. That's what helps to make the curls soft and defined. I mean, let's face it, we do want our curls to be defined. We don't want them to be stiff and crunchy. We want them to move and not slice someone's jugular. It's a delicate balance. And it's hard to sometimes find those right products that work with your chemistry, your body, your hair. We're all different. One question I have is, will my curls be as shiny as they were in video number 1? Stick around till the end for the finishing touches, and you decide for yourself. We're going to be using the Pamper My Curls Curl Sculpting Glaze Stronghold Gel on my right-hand side. This also needs to be squeezed in order to get the product out. It's very thick, and this doesn't slip anywhere. It stays put and doesn't fall on my floor. This is another protein-free option. I was really surprised because I thought most of it was protein enhanced, so I was really glad to see that there are a lot more options that don't have protein. This contains sunflower seed oil, which is rich in ceramides, and that's what helps repair curly hair. On their website, they have a quote, and I really do like it. Loving the you were born into. Let's face it, a lot of curlies don't always feel very good about their curls because, number one, they're made fun of when they're younger. Number two, they don't know how to take care of their curls. Like a lot of brands, everything in the Inahsi line is meant to work together. So we all know that I've been blown away by the Inahsi line. I've been using it for I want to say 6, 7 weeks now, I have seen a huge difference in my curls. They're more defined, they're more hydrated, they're more bouncy, they're more shiny. Here is a 3rd day hair, and I didn't do anything to it before these photos. I didn't wet it, I didn't put an oil on it. I did fix it yesterday in order to run some errands. I mean, let's face it, we all feel more confident when our curls look fabulous. And that's what it's all about, right? Being confident in our own skin and hair. It is diffusing time, so I'll be back. Let's take a look and see what we think. Now, they're not rock hard. I mean, they move. They're a little stiff, but they're not rock hard. The video is not sponsored by Inahsi. I did purchase all of these products myself. This is an actual real review. And for the final act of our show, we are ready to decrunchify. Decrunchify. Right there. My word. We are going to be decrunchifying with their Island Breeze Hair and Body Whipped Butter. You will see the information in my first Inahsi video on the butter. This is how the butter looks. I think I will be using about this much, but what I want you to see again is how it melts. You can see that it is actually oils that melt. But the thing is that it doesn't feel heavy because it's whipped. It really feels kind of light. Now, if you have super fine hair, no, you would not use this. This will weigh you down. That's when you would use their mint scalp oil or whatever it's called. You know I love this part. I love to find out how everything looks after we've put it all together, we've blow dried, we've made it all look nice and curly and pretty. It didn't take a lot of breaking any kind of cast. It really went nicely. I am going to flip and fluff, and I'm going to hope that I get the same kind of volume I got in the first video with the Define and Shine line. What do we have? Do we have Medusa? Oh my goodness. Okay, these are a little short. These need to be pulled down a little. So hydrated that they tightened up on me. Let's put some of this on my forehead. I don't know. I think I got some good volume. What do we think, my curlies? Do I have the same curls with the shine that I did last video? You have to let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget, thumbs up. YouTube likes to see that. If you aren't a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon. This way you'll get notified when a new video posts. Because if you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to see this face every Friday? Come on, I know you do. I will have my affiliate link down below, and when you use code Coils and Curls, you will get an extra 15% off of your purchase. Thank you in advance, my curlies. And I want to thank you, my curlies, for joining me on this continuation of the Inahsi Products. See you in the next one. Ciao for now. Oh, and now I probably made it yucky. Pamper My Curls. We are going to be using the Pamper My Curls flaxseed. Where's... Hey, what the hell did I do with it? Really, Air? Like, what the fuck? Oh, there it is. Okay. Ooh, I just sprayed myself in my face. How look? Ooh! Well, that was stupid. Okay. Now that's on the floor. I should probably wipe this off of the floor before I step in it. They're not into... Look how cute that is. Oh, shut up right now. Oh, you're right there. That's good. Okay. No. The boy. You do know when I turn the camera on, though. That is a definite. aloe and hibiscus. Oh my Lord, help me. Zeus, I can't have this again. You need to go play and do something elsewhere. Oh crap, bra straps coming out. How long has that been out? You need to go away. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I know, love. Yes, dear.